Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you the Corona Sunrise. Look at that beauty, man. I know I'm a little bit late for this because summer's about to end, but hey, it's never too late for one of these, man. Look how that actually looks pretty nice. You know, a little peachy drink, kind of nice. You know, if you have all the right ingredients and it's not too crazy hot, maybe this is the perfect weather for you guys. Pop one of these right out, and you could use any type of tequila or whiskey in my case. I was gonna use a different one, but something unfortunate happened and I had to use this one. This one's still pretty good. You could use normal tequila, blanco, or you can use reposado. Dude, the whiskey, especially bourbon whiskey and Angel's Envy, oh my God, it added some different flavor, you guys. You need to try it. So if you're down to find out how to make this, watch the video. Find out how to create it yourself. All right, guys, as you can see here, it's a very quick drink. Make sure everything's chill, your beer, the whiskey you're gonna be using, your orange juice, and even your grenadine, throw that in the fridge. There's nothing worse in this world than a hot beer. I'm not a big beer fan. Sorry for all those beer fans. Not a really big beer fan, but hot beer is even worse. I was gonna use my favorite whiskey, you guys. Unfortunately, it met a tragic end, and that's Angel's Envy whiskey, bourbon, some good barrels and everything, but it broke. So let's get started. We're gonna be using this right here as pretty much our cup. So open it up. There's a block of ice I'm gonna be using. Drop it in here. And we're gonna pour just a little bit of the beer out. That should be good enough. So there you go. That's the amount of the beer we're gonna take out. We're gonna start off with our whiskey. Angel's Envy would have been better, but hey, nothing wrong with Irish whiskey. So let's get let's go with an ounce of this right here. 1 ounce should be good enough. We'll pour it right in here. We're gonna follow it up. What about 2.5 ounces? If you wanna go with 3 ounces of orange juice, you could. I don't blame you, I'm gonna go with 2.5. So here's 2.5 mark. 2.5 ounces. Could be Donald Duck, but I'd rather not, you know. Let's get shaking real quick. Don't get too crazy, just enough. Break the seal, drop it in there. Make sure you got your aim good in there. Now you're gonna get your grenadine ready, and about 3/4 of an ounce of this. It is your Corona Sunrise, you know. Mira. Like any good bartender does. Just shoves his finger in there for any situation. Just kidding, guys. It's for me. That's why I put my finger in there. But let's put this bloody thing in there. Look at that. Ooh, look at that sunrise right there. Damn, guys, that looks pretty nice to me. Now you're gonna get your lemon or your lime, either one. I don't judge, whatever you like. I like to use lime. So I'm just gonna cut a piece. I'm just gonna put it right there. I should have put the freaking lime wedge in there instead of my thumb, but I am a dummy. There you go, you guys. The Corona Sunrise. Look at that masterpiece. Look at that beauty. Simple, easy, so simple even your kids can do it. Hey, hand me the Corona, they bring you a crown. No. Corona. Give me that grenadine. Then when you're at it, make a Shirley Temple, you know? Get some Sprite, get a Corona, a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of freaking Irish whiskey. It's a family time, family reunion. Orale, you guys. All right, so this is a drink. If you like it, comment down below. Give me ideas, you guys. I'm bored. I've been out of this freaking thing for like a couple of months, so throw me some comments over there, man. Be like, hey man, you know what? Do this, do that. Or if you're over there, park behind me as I'm getting fast food, honk at me, be like, hey bro, you should make this. Let me know, man.